Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the control overlay on your stove. The reason why I might have to do this is because it's been worn away. For this repair, you'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove that we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So this is our control overlay. To get to it, we're going to have to turn the range around and unscrew the back panel. To remove this panel here, we've got 4 screws holding it in. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to start with the bottom ones here. And while I undo this top one, I'm just going to hold the panel in place so it doesn't fall down on us when we take the screw out. There we go. That'll come right off. You can set the panel off to the side there. So this here is the back of our controller board overlay. It's held in by 4 screws, which we're going to have to remove. And with this last one, just hold your panel a little bit so it doesn't fall off. Okay, so now that the screws are gone, we can lean this back. As you can see right here, this is the panel. Let's get it off. Just try and peel off the corner if it doesn't have a tab, which ours does have a tab. So we can just use that, and the entire piece should peel off without too much difficulty. There we go. Now grab your new OEM replacement control overlay. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now we're going to peel this off the back. Just like that, and we're going to go onto our overlay again. Make sure you line everything up nice and even as possible, and I'm going to start right on that end and stick that corner, stick this corner on. Everything looks like it lines up with the screen, so I'm going to go ahead and press this on now. Okay, now we've got that pressed on, we can start screwing everything back on. There we go. There we go. And now that we've got that screwed in, we can put our back panel back on. Now we're going to want to line up our panel just like it was before we took it apart. Make sure the hole lines up and screw it in. Okay. And now we can turn everything back around, hook it up, and your repair is complete. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.